Okay, we were talking about switching around inside the windows. Also, if you want to move the window around, you can click here on the top, any part of the top, and move it around like that. So here's the top of this one. I can move it anywhere I want. Let me close this one. Okay. And I finished typing information about my library. I want to read something on the internet. I'm not ready to close my notes about the library, but I want to hide the word window, or this window here. I don't have to close it. I can minimize it. See this little line here? If I minimize it, the window will hide in the taskbar. I can easily open it again later, and it will still be on, so it doesn't have to uh, fire up again, and I don't have to open it up again. It's still open. So to minimize, here's the minimize button. So I'm going to click here and it goes away. Then I click and it comes back up again. Minimize, and then it comes right back up again. It's still down here and it's still on, ready to go. I just want to use the internet now, and I don't want to see anything but the internet. And I want this window to cover up the whole screen so I have more space to see. Now I want to maximize. Maximize makes the window cover the screen. So here is the maximize button. Look at this. I hold it over and it says maximize. So I'm going to click here and then I'm going to maximize the window. Let's see something worth looking at. So I maximize the window. Then I'm going to restore the window. Maximize. So watch this. Even if the window is a lot smaller, if I click here, it maximizes the window. Full size. Makes it easier to see. And let's, once again, oh, by the way, my notes say restore down. So yes, restore down. So I click here, restore down, and maximize. Restore down and maximize. Okay. Now, just for reference, I have minimize, maximize, and close. And if it's still maximized, it would be minimize, restore down, and close. Okay, here's the change size mouse or the cursor. Okay, let me bring this back up again. Okay, oops, let me bring this up. Which button hides your work but doesn't close it? That would be the minimize button. Remember to pause if you can't answer the question. What button makes a window cover the whole screen? And the answer to that is maximize. That'll cover the whole screen. And what button closes a window? That would be this one, close, the X. Okay. I have some handouts for you. All right, I have some handouts for you, but before you finish this, I want you to answer these questions. What button makes a window as big as the whole screen? That would be maximize. And what button makes the window go down into the taskbar? You can pause if you need to think. That is minimize. And what button closes the window? That is the X. All right. Well, be sure and ask me for your handouts, and I'll talk to you next week.